So here we go, 4.3 LX V6 from 1994. You see we got a brand spanking new fuel water separator. The gas has got about 6 gallons brand new high test fuel in it. We're going to start it up. It's already warm, it's about 130. Idles, runs smooth as sin. It goes for about a minute, and you can hear it. You hear when it's decided to stop. I can even, oh, it's already decided to stop. Boom, that's it. Let's go ahead, not on idle. Give it a little throttle. I think it would. Look at that. You would think that it wouldn't have stalled, but it'll do that 20, 30 times. That's our problem. So the tax says about 900, which that sounds considerably more than 900 to me, but let's see how long she goes. All right, it's decided it's going to stop. Oh, that's it. She says she's done. She's done.